Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mohammed Salih Linux. Today I will show you how to create a USB boot device with Windows. So first you need to open your browser. Here I'm using Google. First you need a program so it can create the boot device for you. You type it Universal USB install here. Then click on this pen drive Linux. You need to download it here. Download UUI. I have downloaded done, so I don't need to download it again. So go to your download file. Here it is. Yes, here click on I agree. First you need to select Ubuntu. Show ISO. I didn't download. I have not downloaded the Ubuntu file yet, so I will pause the video until I have downloaded the Ubuntu done. You can type Ubuntu to click on download or easy, or you can go to browser ubuntu.com, download there. Then click on Ubuntu desktop. Here, the newest version, Ubuntu desktop. I do not have money, so I just use for free. Here, download Ubuntu. Start download. This will be fast. So from now on, I will pause the video. So I have downloaded done here. When you download it done, return back to the program. Click browse. Go to the file that you have downloaded. Here, Ubuntu. Open. Now select the USB. Now click create. Yes. Waiting for a while. Oh, and I forgot to tell something, that you need to disable your antivirus when do this, because if you don't, it will delete a file. Very important. What is the name? I don't know. I don't remember. But make sure that you disable your antivirus. So it has been complete since I resumed this video, and once it's say that copy done, process complete, close it, and you need to check your file here. Here's all it, and you need to check for everything if it's okay. So everything seems to be okay here. Yes, okay. So if you have any question, just leave a comment below, and please like and subscribe for my channel for more useful video like this. Goodbye.